Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Ponyhead, one of Star Butterfly's magical best friends from Star versus the Forces of Evil, staying as faithful as possible to her original cartoon design. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating fun drawing tutorials for you. So grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's draw Ponyhead. Let's start with Ponyhead's huge eyes. Begin with the star-shaped pupils. And remember, these stars don't need to be perfectly symmetrical. Their irregular shapes are part of the charm of the original design. Later, we'll replace the pupil outlines with a beautiful golden color to make them more harmonious with the finished drawing. Or, if you prefer, you can already do that while you're drawing. Now add her big, beautiful eyelashes. Make them long and expressive. Ponyhead is a princess from the Cloud Kingdom of Mewni and one of Star Butterfly's best friends. She has been Star's best friend since they were children, and Star considers her her best friend on Mewni. Next, draw her eyebrows with simple curved lines. Let's add Ponyhead's little muzzle. Keep it soft and rounded to match her cute design. Now, draw her big, happy, open mouth. Add her rounded teeth, which create that funny upside-down picket fence shape we often see in this cartoon style. Next, use smooth curves to shape her cheeks and complete the sides of her head. Now, draw the long, curved line running from the top of her head down toward the base of her neck. Keep it smooth and simple. Ponyhead can levitate and use magic, which helps explain how she can happily fly around without a body. She isn't just a silly comic character, she can be very loyal to Star and has put herself in danger to help her friends. Let's finish the bottom of her neck. And yes, Ponyhead really is just a floating pony head. That's definitely one of the funniest things about her design. Now add her cute unicorn horn. Ponyhead attended St. Olga's Reform School for Wayward Princesses because of her rebellious behavior. Don't forget the spiral stripes, just like the original design. Next, draw her two ears. Simple, rounded shapes are all we need. If you're enjoying this quick tutorial, don't forget to leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to draw Star Butterfly, click the card above and check out our other tutorial. Also, what do you think about creating a whole playlist dedicated to Star versus the Forces of Evil? Tell me in the comments. And who should we draw next? Now let's give Ponyhead her beautiful flowing mane. Use long, wavy lines to make it look like her hair is blowing in the wind. Add the little heart on her neck. It's such a cute detail. For the heart and the magical stars, we'll replace the pencil outlines with pink and golden colors later. And finally, let's add the little magical stars beneath her neck. For the colors, we're using a bright turquoise for Ponyhead's face. a soft pink for her flowing mane and heart, and golden yellow for the magical stars and her star-shaped pupils. But feel free to choose your own colors and make your pony head uniquely yours. And here's our adorable pony head, ready to fly off on another magical adventure. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!